whiskey till it's done. All I know is I'm far from done. I lay outside to feel the sun. I ain't felt this great in months. I roll my joints, I smoke my blunts. I'll pass it round, I might give you some. Can't kill my high, can't kill my buzz. I'll be around till I'm the only one. 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 Feeling sideways, now I'm on the highway. Today I'll do it my way, yeah. Might be Monday, might be Friday. I never look behind me, so I'ma keep on climbing, yeah. All I see is green lights, high up in the mountains where the wind bites. Can see right, I keep building ladders that reach new heights. In sight, I can see the coast off in the distance. Damn, it feels nice, but it could be gone all in an instant. So raise your glass and spark your J. I'm on a beach underneath the shade, surrounded by all this purple haze, and I won't stop till it's yesterday. Don't play with my money, don't play with my mind, don't play with my fucking emotion. I'm waiting on trial, and it's been a while, and I ain't got time for emotion. While you walking aisles, I'm running miles, and I ain't got time to be coasting. So look at my file, I'm counting piles of money from dreams and devotion. But I know that you fucking with it's me, myself, and I've been moving all about myself and getting to the top. You can't stop us, already on this way, so step out to the side. I've been grinding since a little kid, so I would never lie. I'm a motherfucking monster now that you just can't control. I'll just say the fuck I wanna and just do the fuck you don't. You don't understand the message, kid, then back the fuck up off. I'm a motherfucking gangster in this business, so I won't go and bow down to the people that just wanna see me fall. So go fuck yourself and all that shit, cause I can't do no wrong. I'm a demon, I'm an angel, I'm a god, so what